Okay, the final passage of question that we have here is slightly different. It's just a variation of the train tunnel milk tanker type question. So it says a cylindrical pipe has water in it as shown. So it says the depth of the water at its deepest point is 5 centimetres. So the deepest point is going to be here. So from here to here is 5 centimetres. The width of the water surface, AB, is 18 centimetres. Okay. The radius of the pipe is called R. So this time we don't know the radius, so we're just going to call the radius R just now. The distance from the centre O of the pipe to the water surface is X. Okay? Write down an expression for X in terms of R. Okay? So X is the distance that I'm drawing in red here, and R is the full radius. So if I want to write an expression for X in terms of R, what I can say here is that X is equal to the radius R, take away 5. Okay? So if you were to think about the full radius going from O straight down, if you take 5 away from that, you're left with X. Okay? Then it says calculate R, which is the radius of the pipe. So these questions will nearly always get you to form a right angle triangle from your chord. Okay? So looking at the chord here, let's make the right angle triangle. So the right angle triangle is going to look like this. So I know that this bit here is going to be 9, because I'm just going to half my distance of AB. Let's put in the right angle symbol. Now we know that this distance here is X, and we know that the distance of the radius is R. So let me change the subject of this formula here. So I can make this formula say that R is equal to X plus 5. So if this distance here is X, this bit here is going to be X plus 5. Okay? That will then allow me to find the value of X. So I'm still going to use Pythagoras, but I can say here that X plus 5 all squared is equal to X squared plus 9 squared. So I can actually make a quadratic equation out of this. So expand my brackets, so it gives me X plus 5 times X plus 5 is equal to X squared plus 9 squared. So that will be X squared plus 5X plus 5X plus 25 is equal to X squared plus, and that would just be 81. Let's simplify it. So take things over and simplify. So we get X squared, take away X squared, plus 5X, plus 5X, plus 25, take away 81, equals 0. So actually, it's not a quadratic because the X squares cancel out. So that's going to be 10X, and then 25 take away 81 is going to give me minus 56, is equal to 0. Take that back across, so we get 10x is equal to 56, so x is equal to 5.6. Okay? So we know if the x is 5.6, we want to work out the radius r. I can say that r is equal to 5.6 plus 5, which will give us 10.6 centimeters. Okay? And that is the end of the subtopic.